9 industries most likely to make you a millionaire. Hello lovely YouTube family, welcome back to Cyber Circuit. In today's video, we're going to talk about 9 industries most likely to make you a millionaire. Before we start, I would want you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Number 9. Financial Services. Industry number 1 that will most likely make you a millionaire is financial services. When I say financial services, I'm talking about the management of money, money lending, or management of assets. I'm talking about the loan associations, banks, financial companies, insurance companies, brokerages, etc. A lot of those firms are very wealthy because there's a lot of money in money. One of the things I learned from one of my mentors, he said to me, "Soul, don't ever forget that money is in the money." There's a lot of money to be made just by managing, handling, and investing money. Number 8. Technology. Now, you know the Google, the Facebook, the Apple, but we're talking beyond that. Think about traditional industries that you could go into by using technology. What could you do to disrupt that industry? And you can see that a lot. Now we call those disruptors, right? How you could use technology to make things more efficient. We're talking about robotics, AI, automation, manufacture of these technology products, or even providing technology as a service. Number 7. Healthcare. My mentor Clive, the $50 billion man, talks about this a lot. People are willing to spend a lot on money to live longer. That's where healthcare I'm referring to. It could be assisted living, senior homes, pharmaceutical, any products or services that'll help people live longer and stay healthier. That is very good industry to get into. Number 6. Real estate and construction. UN forecast predicts that by 2025, the world's population will increase to almost 8 billion people, and by 2050, it would be almost 10 billion people. That's 10 billion people on this little planet. Now what does that mean? Where's the opportunity? We all need a place to sleep in, and to play in, to entertain and to go to shop. Will anything else without real estate and construction make it happen? Number 5. Education. With all the changes, all the technological changes that are happening, and knowledge is becoming very much critical. People want to learn. They want to equip themselves with new skill sets. The space that I am in is the education and software space. Because of education, I can see the opportunity happening right now in front of us to connect individuals, people, professionals, to 21st century skills and job opportunities. Now within education, you could also invent products and services and software that helps people in many different ways. Number 4. Entertainment and recreation. Beyond than just education, people want to be entertained. In fact, people demand entertainment movies, animations, productions, special effects. Look at all these big companies who are getting into the entertainment industry. There are so many companies going to that industry. Amazon Prime, of course, you have Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, I could go on and on. Why? Because this is where we're going. Number 3. Transportation. As human beings, we like to travel. As now, with the internet, the more we see in the virtual, the more we want to feel in real. We don't want to always be stuck in a house. We want to go out there and see things. So air transportation, aerospace, has become huge opportunities. But also think about now people buying online and shopping online. Where do you think the opportunity could be? Yes, it's handling shipping packages. I'm not just talking about FedEx or UPS or DHL. Think of something like Uber Eats. People like stuff being delivered to them as they're shopping more and more online. Number 2. Energy. Especially I'm talking about renewable energy. So going beyond just oil and gas. Now we're talking about solar or wind. We are billions and billions of people on this planet. We all need power. We need more power to power up our devices and our technology. So that's a huge industry. If you could come up with creative solutions that could solve this problem, not just millions, it could be billions of dollars. But you need to have a certain team. You need to have an understanding of how this whole thing works. And you need to be able to work with the government to execute this properly. But there's definitely a need of a lot of money to be made in energy. Number 1. Food. With billions of people in this planet, not only do we need power, but we also need a place to live in, and we also need to eat. In the food industry, that's not going to go away. We need more cost-effective, more efficient way to produce, to feed so many people. So what do we need to do? Again, maybe you can come up with solutions that could go into these certain industries. I'm not just talking about fast food, because with so many options, people want healthier choices as well. To me, supplements, health type products, or all those products fall into this category. Like if people are eating it and taking it, to want to have a healthier life. So those are the 9 industries that I believe that are most likely going to make you a millionaire. But you need to also combine that with your skills, your background, and your knowledge and passion. Getting into the right industry is one thing, but you also need to be the right person in the right industry in order to make it big. Does that make sense? That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss any amazing video from us.